Hello friends, I hope you like my videos and it is useful for you to update or learn the techniques related to pharma industry. So in this video we will go through the calibration process for a pH meter step by step, right? So the calibration of pH meter ensures accurate reading and should be done regularly. So for general overview of pH meter and its operation, I have explained in my last video. So you can find the link for the same in the description. So here we will discuss only about the calibration of pH meter and regeneration of electrode. So let's start. So friends, my YouTube channel name is Pharma Quality. So please view, like, comment and subscribe my channel to more update. So let's start with the calibration procedure. So here I am explaining the pH meter of make Lab India. So the operation may differ in other pH meter, however the calibration process will be the same, right? So the first one is the calibration frequency. So the calibration should be performed on daily basis or if the pH meter was not calibrated on the previous day. So it should be done prior to use. Actually, this ensures the accuracy and reliability of your reading, right? So first rinse the electrode 2 to 3 times with purified water. So this removes any residue from previous measurement and prevents contaminations, right? Next, after rinsing, gently wipe the electrode with tissue paper. So be careful not to press too hard as the glass electrode is delicate and can be easily damaged. So for this pH meter calibration, commercially available ready-made standard buffer solution can be used with pH value of 1.68, 4.01, 6.86, 9.18 and 12.45. So few are highly recommended such as Merck and Sigma Aldrich make of pH meter buffer solution. So these solution will help us to calibrate the pH meter across a range of pH value. Next, check the temperature of buffer solution. So the temperature affects the pH reading. So it's very important to verify this to ensure the accurate calibration, right? So next, to start the calibration, press the calibration key. So it will display no data, right? So this indicates the pH meter is ready for calibration. So when you see the new data on the display, press the enter key to proceed, right? Next, the now the display will show enter value. So then type the value of the first standard buffer, that is 1.68. Then dip the both electrode and RTD sensor into the pH 1.68 buffer solution and press enter, right? Then the display will now show the wait for stabilization. So the instrument is reading the standard buffer and once stabilized the reading will appear on the screen. So once the reading is stable, press the enter to finalize this step. So the calibration for this buffer is now completed, right? So after finishing the calibration with 1.68 pH buffer, to continue the calibration, start by rinsing the electrode 2 to 3 times with purified water to ensure it's clean for accurate reading, right? Then again wipe the electrode gently with the tissue paper, right? Next, type the standard buffer value 4.01 into the pH meter, then dip the both electrode and RTD sensor into the standard buffer solution of pH 4.01, right? And press enter key to start the reading process. So this will show this wait for stabilization. So this means the instrument is reading the standard buffer and will display the stabilized reading shortly, right? So once the reading is stable, press the enter to confirm the calibration for this buffer, right? So now in the same way, repeat this calibration process with the remaining standard buffer solution, that is pH value for 6.86, 9.18 and 12.45 buffer solution, right? So after calibration with all the buffer solution, press the calibration key to display the slope of the calibration reading. So this slope reflects the accuracy of the calibration, right? So for accurate calibration, the slope should be between 90 to 105% and the offset of the electrode should fall within plus minus 30 millivolt. If the slope or offset falls outside these range, out of calibration should be initiated, right? So once the calibration is completed, then measure the pH of each standard solution to confirm the accuracy, right? And write down the observed value for the each solution in calibration records. So this helps to verify that the pH meter is correctly calibrated. So when recording the pH values, ensure that they do not differ by more than plus minus 0.02 value from the claimed standard value, right? After recording the measurement, carefully remove the electrode and the RTD sensor from the solution. Then rinse the both electrode and RTD sensor 2 to 3 times with purified water to wash off any residue. Now gently soak any excess purified water from the electrode and RTD sensor with tissue paper. So it is recommended to calibrate the pH meter starting from acidic buffer solution, that is pH 1.68, and end with highest pH buffer, that is 12.45. So this sequence basically ensures a stable and consistent calibration across the pH range. So with these final steps, your pH meter calibration is now fully completed. So accurate calibration actually helps to ensure precise measurement in all applications, right? So here we will discuss about the temperature sensor calibration. So let's start with calibration frequency. So the temperature sensor calibration should be performed every 6 months to ensure accurate measurement, right? So before beginning the temperature sensor calibration, make sure a calibrated thermometer is available. So this thermometer will serve as a reference to verify the accuracy of temperature sensor. So next, start by rinsing the temperature sensors 2 to 3 times with purified water. So this removes any residue from previous measurement and ensures a clean calibration, right? Next, after rinsing, gently wipe the sensor with tissue paper to remove any excess water, right? Now dip both the RTD sensor and calibrated thermometer into a beaker containing purified water at 20 degrees C, right? Then wait for the temperature to stabilize. Then record the reading from the both RTD sensor and the thermometer, right? Then repeat this process at 25 degrees C and again at 30 degrees C at each temperature and allow the reading to stabilize. Then record the temperature from both devices, right? So after recording the observation, verify that the temperature difference between the RTD sensor and calibrated thermometer is within plus minus 1.0 degrees C for each reading at 20 degrees C, 25 degrees C and 30 degrees C. So this small margin confirms that the accuracy of the sensor, right? So in this way you can calibrate your temperature sensor. So now here we will discuss about the regeneration of pH meter electrode. So regeneration of electrode is necessary when the pH meter fails to meet the calibration requirements. So this process helps to reactivate the sensing membrane and restore the electrode performance, right? So first check the level of 3M potassium chloride solution inside the electrode. If you find it's low, then make up the level by refilling it with fresh 3M potassium chloride solution. The next, dip the electrode in a zero point 0.1 normal HCl solution for 24 hours. So this steps helps to regenerate or activate the sensing membrane, restoring the electrode responsiveness, right? So after 24 hours, remove the electrode from the HCl solution and rinse it with 2 to 3 times with purified water. So this ensures that any residual acid is removed before calibration. Now that the electrode has been regenerated, then proceed with the calibrating the pH meter to confirm it meets the required accuracy, as we already discussed the procedure of calibration, right? So with the regeneration process complete, your electrode is now reactivated and ready for accurate pH measurement, right? So friends, this is all about the calibration procedure of pH meter and regeneration of pH meter electrode, right? So we'll choose another topic to make the video. Then till then, thank you for the watching the video.